Weather Service. For the following counties in Maryland, Anne Arundel, and Prince George's, the National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for South Central Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, East Central Prince George's County in central Maryland until 10 p.m. Thursday. At 3:52 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that may experience flooding include Bowie, Forestville, Largo, Upper Marlboro, Andrews Air Force Base, Camp Springs, Kettering, Walker Mill, Mitchellville, Rosaryville, Lake Arbor, Marlton, Whitmore, Morningside, Prince George's Stadium, Harwood, Davidsonville. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazard Station.
A flash flood warning has been issued for Baltimore County and the city of Baltimore, effective until 9:07 p.m.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, southern Hampshire County in eastern West Virginia, northern Hardy County in eastern West Virginia until 10 p.m. At 6:54 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, Doppler radar.
Sponsored by Amazon.
Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Moorfield, Wardensville, Increment, Kirby, Bean Settlement, Baker, Rio, McCalloway, Delray, McNeil, Old Fields, Purchaseville, Yellow Spring, Fisher, Capon Springs, Gravel Springs, Wild Acres. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Orange County in central Virginia, central Culpeper County in northern Virginia until 8 p.m. At 7:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Culpeper County in northern Virginia until 8 p.m. At 7:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Culpeper, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by down trees. Localized power could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by down trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Culpeper, Raccoon Ford, Mine Run, Elkwood, Catalpa, Stevensburg, Brandy Station, Everona, Verdiersville, Burt Hill, Locust Grove, Flat Run, Gold Dale, Winston, Lignum, Cordova, Mitchell, Lake of the Woods, Atlantis, and Boston. For your protection, move to secure your room on the lowest floor of a building.
And the Pharisee is the one who
And large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Culpeper, Raccoon Ford, Mine Run, Elkwood, Catalpa, Stevensburg, Brandy Station, Everona, Verdiersville, Burr Hill, Locust Grove, Flat Run, Goldale, Winston, Lignum, Cordova, Mitchells, Lake of the Woods, Atlantis, and Boston. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Flood warning for Culpeper County in northern Virginia, West Central Fauquier County in northern Virginia, Rappahannock County in northwestern Virginia until 10:30 p.m. At 7:33 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Doppler radar indicated life-threatening flash thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, Doppler radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Culpeper, Sperryville, Flint Hill, afternoon. Showers and thunderstorms likely. Some thunderstorms